Why are black boxes orange? Today, we will explain this question together. This goes back to 1950s when the first commercial passenger jet met with accidents 5 times in the span of 2 years. Air crash investigators felt the need to know what exactly happened in the plane before its crash. To address this issue, black box was installed on all aircrafts. The black box has 2 components. First, the cockpit voice recorder. It stores the last 2 hours of sound from the cockpit and from the pilot's headset. In some cases, these audio recordings alone can reveal the reason for the crash. If not, the data from the second component is investigated. Second, flight data recorder. It captures a minimum of 88 parameters about the plane's position, instruments, for the past 24 hours. This black box term is actually not used in the aviation industry. Nobody really knows where this term came from. In the industry, they are more appropriately called flight recorders or onboard recorders. However, there are a couple of different theories behind them being called black box. The term black box is often used in engineering for a device which has numerous inputs, which is the case for flight recorders that collect an array of flight parameters and data. In the early days of the recorder, the device used a light-sensitive paper to record data which was housed in a black box. As a result of an aircraft accident, they are exposed to heat and fire and the metal casing turns black or dark brown. The idea behind painting it bright orange is to locate the device easily in the debris, in case it has not turned black after an air crash.